Hello guys, what's up and welcome to today's episode on this channel. So guys, today I'll be teaching you a brand new strategy to scalp crash and boom index correctly. But before I begin, let me tell you what this channel is all about. On this channel we post forex content and personal tips for financial growth. We post forex content and personal tips for financial growth on this channel. So if you want to join the movement, make sure you stay subscribed to this channel, turn on the notification bell also, and stay tuned for more updates from this channel. So guys, back to the main aim of this video. I'll be showing you a brand new scalping strategy to scalp the market correctly. So guys, let me start with crash 1000 and explain how to use this brand new strategy. So let me move to the chart and show you how it works. So guys, like I said, this is a scalping strategy, and what I mean by scalping is going into the market to hunt for just few pips and you leave the market quickly. That's what I mean by scalping. This is not a long-term trade. Just go into the market, hunt few pips and you are out. So guys, the first indicator would be adding to the chart is the awesome oscillator. So guys, the first indicator is the awesome oscillator, and these are the parameters. The line width should be 3 pixels, the value up should be green, and the value down should be red. Make sure you leave the colors like this. Don't change the color, because if you change the color you mess up the whole setup and signal. So you click on done, then you can see we added our first indicator already. Then the second indicator we are going to be adding, you add it to the main chart, not to the indicator window. You would add it to the main chart. Then this is the main chart. Then the second indicator is the accelerator oscillator. This is the second indicator we'll be adding to the chart. Make sure you don't change the color patterns also. The value up should be green and the value down should be red also. Make it 3 pixel also. Then you click on done. So guys, we can see the indicators already. So guys, how do you pick signals? This is not a catching spike strategy. It is just to catch the trend. Catch very few pips and you are out. Just catch very few pips, then you are out. This is not a spike strategy. It is just to catch few pips, then you are out. So guys, the first way to use this indicator, I'll explain it to you right now. What you want to watch out for is to make sure the awesome oscillator is green and the accelerator oscillator is also green. This is the first signal. When both of them are green like this, you can see they become green here. Then this is your entry when it became green here and here also. So when is the best time to exit the trade? When is the best time to exit the trade? The best time to exit the trade is when any of the indicators becomes red. Like you can see this red here. It did not become red on the awesome oscillator, but it became red on the accelerator oscillator. So guys, this is the best time to leave the market. That means it signals a spike already. So let's catch how many pips we caught using this signal. We caught just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's a random number of pips. If you are scalping, it is just an average number, which is not bad for a beginner or for someone who is just scalping the market. So guys, that's the best entry and exit for this indicator. So let me show you another back test again. Like I said, the best time is when both of them becomes green like this. That's the best time to enter, and the best time to exit is when any of them becomes red. As you can see, it become red there, and this should have been your exit also. Then you would have been saved from any spike that would occur. You can see how simple it is. just pick a very few pips, then you are out. You are safe from spikes also. So guys, I can't guarantee that this would always be profitable, but I can tell you that this has a good win to loss ratio. It has a good win to loss ratio. You can see here also it became green here, then it spiked, so you can see we made a loss here. Already with this strategy. This is a simple thing that we can see. I'm not going to lie in this video, that's why I'm showing you this. I'm not going to lie, I'm allowing you to see this correctly and know that you should expect some losses with this strategy. There is no 100% strategy, there would surely be some losses. This is a loss already, so we took those 3 trades here and we made 1 loss and 2 wins already. So let's check them out again. Let's see here again. We have the setup here again. Then you can see the same setup here again. Then this is another loss right here again. So guys, this is another loss right here again. So guys, make sure you backtest this strategy a lot of times before you start using it on your live account. Make sure you backtest this strategy a lot of times. You can see we took 4 trades, then we have 2 wins and 2 losses already. I'm not going to lie to you, this is what we are seeing playing out already. No lies, this is what we are seeing playing out already. Then we can see here again, it became green here. We saw these green candles here, or these green signals here. Then we placed our entry. Then your exit should be this red one. This should have been a perfect exit for you. Then you can see it would have been saved from any spike that wants to happen. So guys, let's check another index so I can explain this to you better. This is boom 1000, so we are expected to buy or to sell rather in a boom. We are expected to sell. So as you can see, the market current price, we are expecting a signal to occur. We are expecting the awesome oscillator to become red before we can take our entry. So guys, let me show you previous ones. You can see it became red here, then here again, then here again. Then we can see it became green just after 4 pips. Then you are safe from spike and you caught some pips in the market. So guys, as you can see, that's how to use the strategy. It is a very, very simple strategy, but it is not an 100% strategy. There is no 100% strategy anywhere. Just have to find a strategy that works perfectly for you, then take your losses, then take your wins also. That's how simple it is. Take your losses, then take your wins also. If you keep searching for an 100% strategy, you would never find one. You would never find an 100% strategy. Just take your losses, then take your wins also. But make sure whatever strategy you are using, the losses are very, very minimal. They are very, very minimal to the wins. Your wins must be more than your losses. They must be more than your losses. So guys, I would like to end the video here, but before I end the video, let me tell you something real quick. As you can see here, this is current market price, and this is the best time to short the market. If I was to place this trade, I would have placed my trade right here, then expect the market to do at least 3 to 4 pips. You can see the setup was met here. Everything was red, and since this was a sell, that's our signal for a sell. It was red. Then we should have entered the market here and wait for it to become green before we exit the market. But since I'm not taking this trade, just for educational purposes, I'm showing you this using a live chart. This is a live chart. So guys, check the links in the description below join the Telegram channel. On the channel, I give out free setups on my view on any index or currency pairs or whatever you want, just name it. Check the link in the description and join the Telegram channel. On the channel, I give out free analysis, free forex ebooks, and I do polls from time to time to know what you want and how I can help you. You can feel free to also DM me for any problem you encounter watching my videos. I would explain to you personally. If you want to DM me, check the link in the description. Also join the Telegram channel and text me there. If you have any problem with my videos, I would explain anything you want for you. And like I said, check out the links in the description below. Join my Telegram, follow me on Instagram also, because I'll be giving out free content on this channel. Free content on this channel. I'm saying that again, free content on these channels, guys. So if you like this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, give a thumbs up to this video. Make sure you backtest this strategy a lot of times also before you start using it on your real account. So guys, I would like to end the video here. So thanks for watching. Happy trading, happy blue trades. See you in my next video. Thank you.